Mortise lock is commonly used indoors, particularly in residential and commercial buildings. Mortise locks are known for their strength and durability, making them more secure. It provides a sturdy and robust locking mechanism that is more resistant to forced entry. Full range of multiple functions to meet different demands for all commercial, institutional. It's designed to be easy open and close, with handles or knobs that feel solid and comfortable to use. Stainless steel material casting bolt ensures the durability. Adjustable latch bolt, suitable for European split and long plate handle, also suit for flush door. Mortise locks are compatible with a wide range of door hardware, including decorative handles, knobs. Welcome. Contact for more details.